everybody, today is Ginger Day. Today I'm making gingerbread, Jamaican gingerbread. You know, we Jamaicans, we love our ginger. We use ginger to treat all kind of different ailments. We use ginger tea especially, and we use gingerbread, ginger in our cut cake, ginger in everything in our food, and we like strong ginger. So we're gonna make some gingerbread today. So now I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients together, and then I'll do the wet, and then I'll combine them so we can have our perfect gingerbread. I've just added our baking soda to our flour, and now I'm gonna add our baking powder. And our ginger. This is dry ginger, but you can also grate your own fresh ginger and use instead. So the cinnamon is in. The allspice is in. I've just added the nutmeg and the cloves. So now I'm going to add this salt. And I'm going to do a mix-up. Get it all blended in. Now we have all our ingredients to get our gingerbread all mixed up. So I'm gonna put the sugar in and the butter. So the butter and the sugar is in the bowl, and we're gonna cream it until it's light and fluffy. So here goes. This time I'm gonna add the eggs. The eggs and the sugar and the butter is all blended, so now I'm gonna add the molasses that have mixed with water. So I'm gonna do half the liquid and half the flour until it's all blended. So this is our mixture, looking all nice and creamy. I'm going to put it in the baking tin into the oven, and then you'll see our wonderful gingerbread. You won't get these in the supermarket, okay?
It's a very rich color.
Yeah, nice color like me. Now we're ready for the oven. And with the mixture you have, you can either use one large loaf tin, or you can divide them in two smaller tins as I have done. Okay, here comes the oven. Here we are, gingerbread all ready to go with that nice blob of vanilla ice cream. So enjoy. It's still hot, but I'm cutting it just to have a look. And I think it looks perfect. For all the information on the gingerbread, go to cooklikeajamaican.com. You know all the information, and you'll also get all the information. So have fun and enjoy Faye and Angela's gingerbread. Bye. Hello. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, just press the button below and subscribe, and you'll get more of our delicious recipes. So do that, and you'll be happy like I'm happy at the moment cooking for you all. Bye for now.